Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Blizzy, and if you are a returning viewer, you are also welcome. So in today's video is going to be DIY, and I'm showing you how to make this aloe vera and avocado oil for your hair growth. So if you're interested, keep watching. Let's just get started.
Do you want to know?
So guys, here I have my aloe vera and avocado, and I'm using one avocado and half of this aloe vera you have seen here, well washed and clean. So I'll just go ahead and prepped everything, and I will start with the aloe vera. So guys, this aloe vera is already half, and I'll go ahead again and cut it into another half, because where I live, getting aloe vera is very hard. So whenever I get one, I always manage it, like I always stingy with it so that it will last longer a bit. So the other half I'll cover with aluminium foil and then just put it in the fridge. By doing this, it will preserve your aloe vera for a long time, up to 2 weeks, and it will also look fresh again. So for the remaining half that I'm using, I'll just go ahead, I've cut off the sharp side and then cut it into some pieces. And this method I'm using, I'm going to blend everything together, both the green part and the gel, so for me to get all the nutrients, you understand, the benefits. So like what you are seeing, I'm just going to cut everything into some tiny cube, then blend.
We can build a better place if we can just find a way. Then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal.
So after cutting it, I'll just go ahead and blend it, and take note, I did add water. You don't have to add water unless you want to burn yourself. So just blend the aloe vera without adding water, and I'll blend it smoothly and then move ahead with the prep of the avocado. So you can see I'm done with the blending. So it's time to prep the avocado, and I'll just go ahead and cut into half and then use my spoon to scoop out the aloe vera. Then I'll go ahead also and mash the aloe vera using a fork. So for this skin and the seed of the aloe vera, I'm still going to use the tege, so I'll just go ahead and keep it somewhere and let it dry, and I'll make a video on that. And if you want to see that, stick around, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss it when that video is up. So you don't have to throw it away. Don't throw your avocado skin and seed away. You have to use the tege. So I'm done mashing the avocado, and we'll proceed to the cooking. So in the pot, I will go ahead and add the aloe vera, and then I'll also go ahead and add the avocado, and then mix it together. So after that, I'll go ahead and add my extra virgin olive oil. So you have to use extra virgin olive oil. You can use coconut oil, you can use almond oil, you can use any other oil of your choice, but in this case I'm using extra virgin olive oil. And then after adding the olive oil, I'll just go ahead and mix it together. So I'm adding more of olive oil because I didn't measure it, because I don't just have strength in this time to measure it. So I just go ahead to pour into it until I'm satisfied. So after I'm okay with the olive oil, I'll just go ahead to keep stirring it on and be cooking it, and I'm cooking it in a low heat, and then keep stirring and cook until everything is well cooked, completed, and then turn brown. So you keep cooking it until it turn very brown. Then you can put off the stove. As you can see what I'm doing, I'm keep stirring and cooking, and I'm cooking it in a low heat. So this is how it looks like after it has cooked for about 20 minutes, and it's already brown. As you can see, so brown, and the oil and everything have well incorporated into each other. So after that I've turned brown, well cooked, I'll just go ahead and transfer it to another bowl so that it will cool down quickly, because if I leave it in the pot it will take longer time. So then I'll just go ahead, after it has cooled down, I use my cheesecloth. You can use anything you have at home. You can use hair nets, you can use whatever thing that you think that will strain out the oil very well, and then keep straining the oil. So guys, that is it, and you can see the oil that is coming out. Like this is so good on your hair. I'm using aloe vera oil, and it's so good. Imagine these two things combined together. So I'll just keep pressing the oil out until it's well strained. Then I'll go ahead again and strain it for the second time. So this second time is very also important because there are some particles that are still remaining due to the force that I'm applying to press the cheesecloth. So you can see that there are some particles in there. So after that is done, I'll just go ahead and put it in my small bottles and then store it. So, and in this one I did add essential oil because I don't think that is necessary, because I like it that way, and you can add essential oil if you want. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and also share with others. And then I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.